how to close or delete your Indeed account permanently. Really easy and simple. First things first, of course, you're going to make sure you're logged in to Indeed.com. Then what you're going to do is come here at the top right and click on your profile icon, okay? Then just go ahead and click on settings right here. And once this page loads up, guys, you will see your account settings, okay? Just scroll down, and the last option right here you'll see right under your email address is close my account. Now let's click on this. They will ask you first why you want to close your account. If you want, you can answer this, maybe if you want to, or you can just press other and write that as well, or you can just say that you don't want you can put the first option, and you need to understand that this action will not be reversed. When you close your account, you lose access to all your application history, all your messages, and employers you have previously contacted or applied to in the past may still be able to reach out to you. So if you do create a new Indeed account, that account will not include any of your old preferences or data. And remember that, guys, closed accounts will not also get Indeed marketing emails. So if you want to go through with this, just click on close my account, and they will basically close your account permanently. And it's really that simple, guys.